Get ready to explore the top trending AI agent projects this week. We're diving deep into tools that are redefining productivity, creativity, and automation. Imagine having a personal AI writing assistant, a legal expert for contracts, or even a Jarvis on your phone. We'll also uncover AI-powered app builders, enterprise-grade React tools, and platforms for real-time collaboration with AI. Plus, discover multi-agent systems for knowledge, visuals, and complex workflows. These innovations are truly making AI work for you.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1. Slashit, AI-powered text shortcut and template engine. Picture having a personal writing assistant that lives in your keyboard, automatically expanding your frequent phrases, dynamic templates, and AI-enhanced responses with a single slash command. That's Slashit, and it's redefining quick, intelligent typing. What's unique here is it's all-in-one shortcut and AI integration. You can create custom snippets with placeholders, design dynamic templates that personalize each message, and even inject AI-generated content on the fly. Slashit stands out because it works everywhere you type. In emails, chat apps, social media, or support tickets. No need for manual copy-paste. Type a shortcut like /p-write, enter your core idea, and Slashit generates the polished text instantly. This isn't just about automation, it's about smart, context-aware typing, powered by your choice of AI models like ChatGPT or Gemini. Early users are already raving. One designer shared using Slashit to write LinkedIn posts. Type your thought into a /p-write template and get a polished piece in seconds without switching apps. By tracking snippets and clipboard history, Slashit helps you reuse content and avoid repetition, saving hours each month. Slashit provides both a free forever tier and powerful premium plans, catering to solo users and teams alike. Lifetime access deals have boosted adoption, and platform maturity ensures data privacy and cross-device syncing. It's not just a snippet manager, it's a dynamic writing assistant, accessible from any input field, combining speed, personalization, and AI power. In short, Slashit transforms mundane typing into a seamless, AI-augmented workflow, enabling you to write smarter, faster, and more consistently, no matter where or what you're typing. Project number 2. Accordio, AI-powered contract assistant for freelancers and agencies. Imagine a personal legal assistant built into your contract editor, one that drafts, edits, explains, and customizes documents for you. That's the power of Accordio, a no-code, AI-driven contract management tool tailor-made for freelancers, agencies, and creatives. What sets it apart is its deep context awareness. It doesn't just generate generic contracts. It learns from your previous agreements and snippets, adapting to your unique work style and industry needs. Accordio offers a smart template system where users start with predefined industry-specific structures, then fill in variables like scope, payment terms, and client details. But here's where the AI magic shines. It actively guides you through legal nuances, flags risky clauses, suggests improvements, and provides real-time analysis right inside the document. It even compares your drafts against best practice standards, ensuring you stay fully compliant without needing a lawyer. The tool supports importing PDFs, Google Docs, or Adobe formats, and seamlessly integrates with signing tools like Adobe Sign and Google Drive. Its brand customization and agency-specific workflows empower users to maintain professional consistency across contracts. Beyond drafting, Accordio centralizes contract management, tracks statuses, manage revisions, sign digitally, and collaborate, all underpinned by a powerful AI engine. In essence, Accordio transforms contract creation from a tedious chore into a guided, intelligent workflow. It's not just an AI chatbot. It's a context-aware agent that understands your documents, anticipates your needs, and ensures watertight contracts. If you're a freelancer, agency, or creative professional who juggles multiple clients and needs reliable agreements fast, Accordio offers legal-grade assistance without the steep fees or complexity. Project number 3, Martin, your AI butler, like Jarvis on your phone. Imagine having a personal AI assistant that can actually do things for you. Manage your calendar, inbox, send texts, make calls, set reminders, ping Slack, and even proactively draft emails. That's exactly what Martin delivers, functioning like a real-life Jarvis in your pocket. Launched by YC-backed founders, Martin isn't just another chatbot. It's a fully integrated AI agent that spans multiple communication channels: SMS, WhatsApp, email, calls, iOS voice, and remembers your preferences over time. Rather than waiting for commands, Martin anticipates needs. It drafts replies, reschedules meetings when CC'd, triages emails, and even wakes you up with a personalized briefing, including weather, schedule, and news, all without being prompted. It learns from your habits and adapts. Unlike Siri or other assistants, Martin truly remembers and grows with you. The platform supports multi-step tasks. You can ask it to brief the team, which triggers checking your calendar, reading new emails, pinging Slack, or texting people, all through a simple command interface via text, voice, or even iOS shortcuts. Users rave that it's like having an extra brain and say it significantly streamlines their day-to-day management. In summary, Martin stands out by blending deep integration across channels, proactive multi-step workflows, and learning memory, all wrapped in a polished mobile and web UI. It's not just an AI chat tool, it's a dynamic, actionable assistant that takes initiative and evolves with you. Project number 4, Databutton, the AI-powered app builder for non-techies. Imagine being able to build a full web app without writing code, just by chatting with an AI. That's exactly what Databutton offers. What makes it unique is its intelligent reasoning agent that understands your vision and carries it through from planning to production. You start by sharing your app idea, mock-ups, specs, or goals, and the agent creates a high-level plan for features like authentication, database setup, APIs, and UI components. After you approve the plan, the agent doesn't just generate code. It executes tasks, builds endpoints, handles login flows, deploys to AWS or Google Cloud, and even chooses infrastructure like databases and analytics tools. You can interact with it using natural language, asking it to write code, debug errors, test APIs, or adjust components, all within your Databutton workspace. One standout feature is its long-term memory and context awareness. Unlike other AI tools, Databutton remembers your app's state, what you've built, decided, and changed, so the conversation stays relevant and coherent over time. And for non-developers or team creators, the platform is remarkably no-code friendly, with built-in database and authentication systems, and even supports turning your app into tools that AI agents like Claude can interact with via Model Context Protocol. Some users have applauded its ability to create sophisticated apps in seconds, reasoning and create full-stack apps in seconds, although early testers did note running into errors or credit limits during larger workflows. In summary, Databutton is more than a code generator. It's an AI collaborator that plans, codes, tests, debugs, deploys, and remembers, making it a game changer for anyone who wants to build web apps fast, with zero coding skills. Project number 5, Refine AI, purpose-built AI agent for enterprise React apps. Imagine having an AI agent that not only scaffolds your app, but actually builds functional, production-ready internal tools. That's exactly what Refine AI brings to the table. Unlike generalist AI code generators, Refine AI is purpose-built for enterprise applications like admin panels, dashboards, and internal tools, so it understands the real-world requirements around routing, authentication, state management, and access control. What makes this tool truly stand out is its playbook-driven approach. It doesn't improvise, it follows proven best practices embedded within the core of the open-source Refine framework, with 30K plus GitHub stars and enterprise usage. That means when Refine AI generates code, it's clean, well-structured, scalable, and immediately usable. No refactoring back from spaghetti code. It wires together routing, CRUD, state updates, and authentication right from the get-go. Another unique aspect is its intelligent token and model handling. Through iterative strategies, Refine AI avoids token dilution, only feeding relevant code context, improving generation quality from around 10 to over 70% success rate. And with Claude 4 integration, output quality and cost efficiency have just gotten even better, about 30% fewer tokens for sharper results. In essence, Refine AI isn't a generic code overwriting assistant. It's a trusted partner that understands enterprise semantics, enforces solid architecture, and produces React code you can extend tomorrow. That makes it a powerful ally for developers building complex internal apps with confidence and speed that feels almost magical on screen. Project number 6. Liveblocks, AI-ready, real-time collaboration engine. Imagine adding human-like AI agents, multi-user editing, and real-time comments to any product in just a few lines of code. That's exactly what Liveblocks brings to the table. What makes this tool unique is that it provides fully baked, production-ready components for AI couplets in collaboration, not just APIs to build them from scratch. Liveblocks 3.0 takes it a step further by integrating AI couplets, context-aware bots that deeply understand the user's environment, can execute actions, and appear with live cursors and floating toolbars right in your UI. These couplets are not generic chatbots, they're product-aware assistants that can edit content, pull analytics, or guide users in-app, all while blending seamlessly into platforms like Notion, Figma, or custom dashboards. Behind the scenes, Liveblocks manages robust WebSocket infrastructure, CRDT-based real-time synchronization, presence indicators, and contextual comment systems, so you get Google Docs-level collaboration features out of the box. Unlike building this complex stack yourself, Liveblocks provides pre-built React UI components, dev tools, monitoring, and a dashboard to configure everything, including which LLM to use without needing back-end engineering. Brands like Zapier have used Liveblocks to launch multiplayer editing, comments, and AI copilots in days, not months. It supports persistent chats, auto-synced history, custom AI tools, and is LLM agnostic, OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, making it flexible for any product environment. In short, Liveblocks is unique because it bridges collaboration and AI agent functionality in a single, seamless package. It handles the heavy lifting, real-time sync, contextual intelligence, UI, and scale, so developers can embed AI-powered collaborative agents into apps faster than ever before. Project number 7, Second Brain AI, AI-powered virtual memory and research hub. Imagine having a digital partner that not only stores your documents, but genuinely understands and interacts with them. That's the magic behind Second Brain AI. Unlike typical note-taking apps, Second Brain empowers you to chat with any content you upload. PDFs, YouTube videos, TikToks, Looms, websites, even audio, directly inside a visual AI board. It's not just keyword search, it understands context, summarizes insights, and surfaces connections without guesswork. What makes this tool truly unique is its visual, non-linear workspace. Instead of scrolling through endless text, you see a board populated with your content, dragging docs, videos, and pages into AI-powered chat sessions where conversation flows across sources. Want to ask about a section in a video or compare notes across articles? Just drop the content onto the board and ask away. Second Brain also excels with its multi-model support. With access to GPT 4.5, Claude 3.7, Grok 3, DeepSeek, and more, you can choose the model that best fits your needs, all within one interface. Plus, every AI output can be humanized, rewritten to sound naturally authentic, and pass AI detection tests, ensuring your content feels genuinely yours. Security and precision are key. You'll never get off-topic answers. The AI only responds based on your uploaded content, and if it doesn't have an answer, it simply says so. And with the Chrome extension, capturing and organizing anything from the web happens with a single click. In short, Second Brain AI isn't just an AI assistant, it's your personal knowledge ecosystem. It transforms scattered information into an intelligent, searchable, and interactive digital memory that makes research, planning, and creativity faster, clearer, and far more intuitive. Project number 8, Tila AI. Infinite visual canvas with multi-agent workflows. Picture a workspace where your AI really works for you, not just chat replies, but coordinated workflows across text, code, images, and video, all on a single visual canvas. That's Tila AI, and what makes it stand out is its multi-agent architecture. Each tile on the infinite canvas acts like its own intelligent assistant. These agents can break down your tasks, choose the right AI models, communicate context to each other, and execute subtasks in harmony. What's uniquely powerful about Tila is its truly multimodal and collaborative nature. You can drag in meeting audio, a website link, or even a sketch, and the system can turn it into mind maps, podcasts, code, charts, or all of the above without you bouncing between tabs. Imagine doing image editing side by side with text generation and code execution all in one space. It's like Figma meets AI, meets Notion, but powered by a customizable team of mini agents. It integrates the best AI models, GPT-4, Claude, Gemini for text, DALL-E 3, Flux for images, Luma and Kling for video, 11 Labs and Whisper for speech, so you don't need multiple tools or subscriptions. You just prompt it, and Tila's agents figure out which model does the job best. And it's designed for everyone, whether you're a content creator, marketer, teacher, or developer. Early users rave about how this unified AI-driven environment removes friction and lets them focus on ideas, not tabs or model switching. In essence, Tila AI isn't just another chat tool, it's a visual, interactive AI canvas powered by collaborating agents that streamline complex creative projects. It reimagines our relationship with AI, turning scattered tools into a seamless, intelligent workflow that's fun, flexible, and incredibly powerful. Project number 9, AgentX, build, orchestrate, and deploy multi-agent AI workflows, no code. Imagine a platform where instead of creating a single chatbot, you can build an entire team of AI agents, each with a unique role, tools, and knowledge base that work together to solve complex tasks. That's exactly what AgentX makes possible. What makes it unique is its multi-agent orchestration. You can visually design specialized agents, chain them into collaborative workflows, and deploy them across channels like websites, Slack, Discord, email, or WhatsApp, all without writing code. AgentX also supports cross-LLM support, letting you mix and match models like GPT-4o, Claude, Gemini, Llama 3, and more, tailoring each agent's reasoning style to its role. It integrates seamless RAG pipelines and custom knowledge bases, so agents can pull from your own documents, Notion, or Google Drive when answering or acting. One standout is its use of the Model Context Protocol, MCP, enabling deep tool and workflow integrations, Zapier support, and full GitOps setup. You get observer analytics, real-time stats, and agent-level performance insights, all configurable via no-code UI or developer-friendly Git versioning. Whether you're building a lead gen agent, a research assistant, an e-commerce copilot, or internal workflow bots, AgentX lets them delegate tasks to each other, collaborate intelligently, and adapt autonomously. And all this is production-ready, multi-channel deployment, analytics, and enterprise-grade features baked in. In short, AgentX isn't just a chatbot tool. It's a full AI workforce platform where agents plan, work, and solve problems together. Project number 10, Thunai, enterprise AI agents for real-time workflows. Imagine transforming your company's scattered knowledge, documents, chats, presentations into a living AI brain that automatically answers questions, handles tasks, and even joins calls with you. That's Thunai, an agentic AI platform built for enterprises. Unlike basic chatbots, Thunai offers real-time voice and chat agents that sound human, 99.9% speech accuracy. You can deploy over 30 specialized agents, voice, chat, email, meeting, automation, enabling workflows like booking meetings, triaging emails, updating CRMs, and creating content, all with no manual coding. Thunai is built to scale and secure. It meets GDPR, SOC 2, and ISO 27000 Mountain standards, making it ideal for global teams. In sales, its agents respond instantly to leads, personalize outreach, and ensure no prospect is missed, boosting pipeline response by up to 72% and doubling lead flow without more staff. For support centers, voice agents handle level 1 calls 24/7, resolve 95% without human help, and reduce average handling time dramatically. Another standout feature, AI-powered screen sharing support. Thunai's voice agents can literally see a user's screen during calls and guide them through issues in real time, reducing confusion and resolving technical problems faster. In short, Thunai isn't just about chatting, it's about acting. It combines live communication, automation, knowledge ingestion, and real-time interventions into one powerful platform. If you're looking to build AI that doesn't just talk, but truly works for you, Thunai brings enterprise-grade agents to life instantly, without a single line of code. And that brings us to the end of our exploration into these groundbreaking AI agent projects. These projects truly demonstrate the incredible evolution of AI agents and their potential to transform how we work and create. If you found this journey insightful, please like this video, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.